Atmanirbhar? Can India become developed? All these questions strike into our mind when it comes to the progress of the country. Hello everyone, this is Riya Bhagat and today I am here to share my views how India will become Atmanirbhar. For many years we keep on hearing that India is a developing country. Why India is a developing country? It can be developed also. There are many reasons behind this and I think Atmanirbhar is a step towards making India. Nowadays everyone is talking about being Atmanirbhar. But what actually Atmanirbhar means? It means not to depend on others, whether for whatever reason. It does not need a country to lead it. It starts from an individual only, a way of living. There are many people who still depend on others just for the little things. We have to change these habits because if we become Atmanirbhar, then only we are able to make India Atmanirbhar. On a wider range, if we look upon a country making Atmanirbhar, I think there is need to talk upon NIRs and immigrants. Why there is a need of immigrants? India is the largest country of the origin of the immigrants. Many Indians leave India just to work for the other country. The foreign countries attract Indian employees in their companies. No doubt India is a source of the talent of IT and other skills work that other countries lack in their local people. And we people also attracted towards that countries because maybe we get good income there. There is a good source of our living there. All these things attract Indians to work for the other countries. If we look upon our Microsoft CEO and our Google CEO, these all are Indians. But if they all work in India only, all these countries, all these companies set up in India only, that makes India a technological country. If all the small scale industries, all big industries set up in India, our India would be more technological than other countries such as China, USA, etc. Now we are talking about India becoming Atmanirbhar. It is important to discuss about import and export system. It doesn't mean that India only imported things. We also export things. For example, there is petroleum, iron and steel, gold, diamonds. These are things which get exported from India. These all things become increase economy of the India. If we fully stop imported things, then there must be imbalance of economy system which get exported from India. So there should be balance between import and export things, so that we must have the equal economy and our economy does not get disturbed. On a small scale, what we can do to become Atmanirbhar? We can set up industries in a month or in a year. We are not as much financially good. But what we can do for the country is that we should cooperate with the government policies. We should have our willpower. If our cooperation is there, we should have the willpower. We should try for the new innovative ideas. Almost everyone have their phones. We should utilize their phone for the better way. The social media, it doesn't mean that social media is always disturbing for everyone, but it has some positive effects also. We should use all the positive effect for making our India and making ourselves Atmanirbhar. So to make India Atmanirbhar, we should start from ourselves only. We should be Atmanirbhar oneself only.